first episode of Spartan Spotlight. I'm Travis from Montana.
And I'm Chloe Bruman. We're so excited for you to see all of the good things going on here in Imlay City Schools.
Students in Mr. Shalom's broadcasting class have been looking throughout the district for stories that matter to you.
In our first story, you may have noticed a lot of changes around our athletic fields. Here's Brady Detweiler with the details.
I'm Brady Detweiler, and I'm here at the Spartan Sports facilities where we are undergoing many new additions. We asked softball coach Jean Bannister about her feelings on the new softball additions.
Nice to see that our athletes are finally getting some well-deserved improvements.
We asked Mr. Don Gothier about the new additions to the sports facilities.
Currently, they are working on the baseball field, soccer field, and the softball field. Also fixing the parking arrangements, adding parking to softball, adding some parking spots for baseball. There's going to be a drive over there where you're going to be able to drive all the way through. There's also going to be a pavilion there right by the tennis courts, which is hopefully going to be serve as maybe a little bit of a concession stand for baseball, tennis, soccer.
Jean Bannister also gave us some insight on the new additions to the softball field.
We are getting a batting cage that will be put up permanently. It will be turf. We have a warm-up mound for pitchers. We got cement inside of our dugout and around the outside. Our bleachers are being moved down the left field and right field lines, and they're also cemented under. Our backstop is all being rebuilt, and we get running water and electricity, which are huge pluses, especially for our concession stand.
Finally, we asked them both when they believed they would be ready.
Ready in time for the spring. Softball will be good to go.
I've been assured that our softball field will be ready to go for our season.
Baseball and soccer, we are shooting for spring of 26.
Thanks, Brady. We can't wait to see it all done. Last month was filled with mystery of who done it in our Performing Arts Center. Marcus Marzetti has the details on our recent production clue.
I'm Marcus Marzetti here outside the high school's Performing Arts Center, where the theater department has so graciously provided the middle schoolers with a free showing of Clue.
Clue on Stage is a Broadway show brought into the Imlay City Performing Arts Center to bring a sense of mystery and thrills for folks of all ages to have come out and watch. Premiering on October 24th and October 26th, Clue was received well by adults and children alike.
I'm here with Finn McCaffrey, who's here watching the show. So, Finn, how do you feel about the show overall?
I liked it. All of the actors did amazingly.
I feel like all the actors did a very good job memorizing their lines, and the lighting gave a great act in the part.
I think it was really good. I think that their acting skills for high schoolers was really good, and I think that the overall play was just good.
When the cast members of Clue were asked about their thoughts on the show, this is what they had to say.
I think we all did amazing. The energy was there. I feel like we've definitely have gotten a lot closer, so the chemistry on stage is amazing.
Oh my gosh, I think everyone did so good. I'm so proud of everyone. I had fun for my little snippet. I think everyone really set up the whole show, and I think it went really well.
They were amazing. I couldn't have performed better without them. They did their part well, and I couldn't have done it better if I played it myself.
Mr. Brewer was asked for his thoughts on the show. This is what he had to say.
I think they did an amazing job. This is a very difficult show, and they all stepped up, cast and crew both. They did an excellent job. A+.
Oh, yeah. You love to hear it.
And that's a wrap on the Imlay City Performing Arts Center's showing of Clue.
Congratulations to everyone involved with Clue. The high school science department hosted Science Night last month. Our own Jared Pratt was on the scene to find out what all the buzz was about.
I'm Jared Pratt here at Imlay City High School, where Aquarium and Science Night is happening. Let's go under the sea to see the action.
During the Aquarium and Science Night at Imlay City High School, there was density examples, preserved species, a bake sale run by Imlay City High School students, face painting, handmade aquatic accessories, coloring pages and activity pages, and of course, a lot of fish. When we interviewed Mr. Gartrell on how he had the idea for Aquarium/Science Night, this was his response.
About 3 years ago, when I actually had it in a dream.
Oh.
So I actually dreamt about bringing aquariums into high school.
With my man Luis. So Luis, are you having fun right now?
Yeah.
Yeah? What preparation did you have to do for tonight?
A lot of it was just making sure the kids were here and they had their projects done and had everything good to go.
So many people had so much fun. Don't believe me? Check this out.
Favorite animal? It's a what? Taki. Shark. A shark. Oh, thanks for joining me under the sea. I'm Jared Pratt, signing off for tonight.
Thanks, Jared. We can't wait for the next science night. The high school students aren't the only ones that are working with science and technology. Here's Mason Russell to give you a little more information about our middle school robotics team. Mason?
The Imlay City School District has an astounding robotics program, and the middle school team is no exception. I'm Mason Russell, and today we'll take a quick look behind the scenes. When asked where she saw the robotics program going in the future, Mrs. Hellebuck, who runs the program, said this.
The robotics program has lots of avenues it can go in the future. We can continue to expand the current program and continue to offer it even down at the lower elementary. We can do like fifth grade, third through fifth grade, and they can do another VEX program called VEX IQ. Also, we are looking at expanding into doing some drones, because there is a drone competition that some of these students can do once we finish up with this robotics piece.
I'm gonna go Edward Twinkle Toes. Edward Butter! Bro, who is
We asked our all-girls robotics team if they enjoyed the meetings. They responded by saying,
I'm like excited all week to go to them. Yeah, they're definitely my favorite part of the week.
on the topic of students' futures, Mrs. Hellebuck claimed,
And it can lead to some really nice careers. In almost any career field that you go into, there is some type of computer science that you need in computational thinking and problem-solving skills. So even if you're not going directly into robotics, the skills that they've learned, it's a lifetime.
Next, we asked Cyrus what he likes about robotics.
Being able to hang out with your friends and just code and build stuff. And like you just get to be able to bond with them after hours.
This program was beyond what we expected. Not only do students love it, but they also learn real-life qualities, how to work with peers, and how to build a masterpiece.
Thanks, Mason. That looks amazing. Thanks to Ms. Hellebuck and her students for giving us a peek. Back at the high school, we had a big change this year, going from a 6-hour day to a 7-hour day. Here's some more details from Sam Bickman.
This is Sam Bickman live from Imlay City High School. We are here today to interview ICHS staff and students about the 7-hour day.
When Mr. Prees was asked which class he is teaching with the 7-hour day, he had this to say.
I'm teaching Applied Music Lab. It's a class for students to learn to play different instruments.
The next ICHS staff member we interviewed was Mrs. Dye. When she was asked about what class she teaches in the 7-hour day, she had this to say.
The class I'm teaching as a result of the 7-hour day is photography. This class offers students a wide range of experiences from learning how to operate a camera in manual mode.
We also interviewed ICHS junior Alyssa Slyman. When she was asked what classes she's taking with the 7-hour day, she had this to say.
I have big science class for my new elective that I chose this year for these 7-hour days. Fun class that you just learn more about like density, like instead of just saying that it's just there for like being more dense than other things, you actually get into it.
This is Sam Bickman signing off from Imlay City High School.
Thanks, Sam. Going along with the 7-hour day, high school staff added numerous electives. One of those electives is Big Science, which recently went to Weston Elementary to read books that they made. Here is Juan Rosillo with details.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Juan Rosillo, and I'm here at Weston Elementary joining Mr. Clark's Big Science class to read to younger students.
Here is Natalie Locker and Jose Hernandez reading to a Weston student about planets. Isaac, Montana, and Claire also wrote a story about the solar system to read to the Weston students.
Today I'm here with Mr. Clark, and we just wanted to ask, what gave you this great idea to do this?
Well, I wanted to instill some curiosity and love of science in younger grades. And I figured the high school kids would be the perfect people to do it.
Thank you so much.
So far, we have visited multiple classrooms, and it seems like the kids are enjoying the experience of the big science kids reading to them.
The high school students are beyond excited to visit each class and to read their books.
Hi, I'm Alex Villegas, and I'm here with Waylon. So Waylon, what were your thoughts on reading to the kids?
Oh, it was pretty cool. They liked my book about farts.
Thank you.
Alyssa and Savannah didn't just read to the students. They also asked some fascinating questions.
Hi, what's your name?
Casey?
Are you having a good time?
Yes.
Thank you guys so much for joining us today. We had a great time here at Western Elementary, and we hope to see you guys again soon.
Thanks, Juan. Another new elective is Cadet Teaching. Here's Ethan Collins with the details.
I'm Ethan Collins here at Bolin Elementary, which is one of the 4 schools that the Cadet Teaching class comes to.
As part of the new 7-hour day at ICHS, Cadet Teaching is a course that offers high school students hands-on experience inside the teaching industry. When asked for her opinion on the course, Principal Catoni said this.
I think it's impacting both our students and the high school students as well, and it's been a really beneficial program. So every morning it's great to see all of the high school students walking over, and they come sign in and whatnot, and then head to their classrooms. They are establishing a great relationship with our students, and our students here at Borland really look forward to them coming every single day, so that's pretty cool.
In Mrs. Milovich's 5th grade class, she has 3 cadet teachers that visit her Monday through Thursday. Here's her opinion on the class.
I think this will absolutely help them to prepare for it, because you don't seem to get as much as the hands-on training that they're getting here in class with us as you would in college. It's really showing them exactly what it's going to be and setting them up to know what they're getting themselves into.
That's it. That's all. Thank you to our staff and students for these interviews.
Thanks, Ethan. Our high school students love interacting with our youngest Spartans. In fact, they spent every Friday this fall making our elementary students feel special as they come into school.
High Five Friday is when high school student athletes go over to the Borland and Weston to give high fives to younger students to boost up their mornings and to let them know they're going to have a great day. We sent Chloe Bruman over to Imlay City Borland Elementary School to interview some of the teachers and students.
Hi guys, it's High Five Friday, and we're here with Miss Monville. Miss Monville, how much do you like High Five Friday?
We love High Five Friday. It's so awesome having everybody walk in through the class, and then the 3rd graders love it. Don't you guys love it? Yeah! They think it is the coolest to see all you big kids, and someday they might be doing the High Five Friday for kids that are in 3rd grade. Isn't that cool, you guys? We love it. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for coming in. We love it.
I love it so much, but sometimes I have to wash my hands. I don't know if people wash their hands, but oh well, I guess I like it, so yay.
It's reasonable. I like it.
High Five Friday is very fun, and it is very exciting to look forward to see the high schoolers.
We interviewed some of the Weston students about how they felt about High Five Friday.
It's good. Do you like it? Yeah.
Where'd you rate it out of 10?
10 out of 10. Okay.
High Five Friday 1 through 10.
10.
Do you like it?
Now, yeah.
Quickly, give me a quick couple words about how it makes you feel.
Good.
High five?
Yeah.
High fives?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you enjoy it?
Yeah.
As you can see, the students seem to have good reviews about High Five Fridays.
Thanks to everyone for brightening our youngest students' day.
That will wrap up episode 1 of Spartan Spotlight. Be on the lookout for our next episode.
Until then, have a great day, and as always, go Spartans! Woo!